of the ADNOC, and we have gone on activity wise.
बिल्कुल
My proposal is, see, in your work pack, you have got small work, medium work, major work, and very serious work. So, we should be worried for all this activity which can create additional hazard, right?
जी
So,
जी
what we have done in our previous workshop, I have prepared on the activity wise. This may be
सही है
applicable for all work pack, or this may be applicable for one work pack, or maybe two work pack. Say, for example, I have tried to put the activity, general activity category, and this may be applicable. This may be applicable for all the work pack. Undoubtedly about that. If you wish, I can put here. It is applicable for work pack number 1, 2, 3, 5, something like that.
एग्जैक्टली
And
देखें
then we can go for civil activity, because civil activity will happen everywhere for all the
यस
activity, all the
यस
activity. So this will be also applicable for all the work packs.
ठीक
Let's say instrument activity is not applicable for all. So we can put,
ये वर्क पैक 7, 8 और 9
हाँ, तो हम यहाँ कर क्या करेंगे, वर्क पैक 7, वर्क पैक 8 and work
9
pack 9.
9
Like this we can put.
जी
So
और
see,
इलेक्ट्रिकल एक्सक्लूसिवली वर्क
yeah,
पैक
so
9 और
yeah, so
एनटीएसआर इसके आगे
yeah,
लिख दें
so
एनटीएसआर
yes. So मैं क्या करना चाह रहा हूँ, I don't